Hi guys, welcome to CAT CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use split command in use in CATIA. Today learn and discuss here. Today CATIA lecture 44 discuss here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, today learn a split command is very important to use in CATIA, and today discuss here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software interface. Open CATIA. Okay, this is our project. This is our 3D tools stone, and this is use a split. Okay, this all point is discuss here one by one. First point is split. Okay, 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 this is a stone, and ye cut and remove this separate part, then use a split. Okay, and this point is a face. This face select and sketch a spline. Okay, this. Okay, okay, and use a exit, and okay, and use a some wireframe and surface design. Okay, and this is a extrude. Okay, and this body is a, okay, this is a this, and okay, okay, this is a correct, and this body is cut here and separate parts. Use a, okay, this is a part. Okay, this surface is used only we are going to wireframe and surface design, and again a part design. Okay, again coming a part design, and use a this split command. Okay, and click here split, then splitting element selection. This point is selection this, and this is a arrow is downward, and click here arrow is upward. Okay, this is very important, and this is a upward, then remove this face, this, and this is a downward, remove this. Okay, this is downward, and click OK. This part is remove here. Okay, and this is a hide. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and then cut part is easily, and then use a split command. Okay, and again, okay, and this is a undo. Undo means part is, okay, okay, and again use a split command, and then use a this, and this arrow is upward, means this is a remove part. Okay, this is a remove part, and this is a control Z, this is a undo. Okay, and one is very important. This is a this, click here, and this face is select, and this up, this arrow is upward and downward is both is, you can see here, we will learn here, and this face is click here, this arrow is upside, and all parts is hide. Okay, only this surface is remaining. Okay, all body is hide, and again Control Z not work, but this undo is work. Okay, and this is a very important. Use a split command, and we will learn this split command use a stone parts. Okay. 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 Guys, next lecture is coming soon, and split command today discuss here, and this split command is, I hope we will learn clearly, and next lecture is coming soon. Get at first more and more new videos coming soon. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.